280 horsepower. From a 3-cylinder engine, that sounds impossible. But Toyota built a rally car first and made it street legal second. This is the 2026 GR Yaris, and it exists because of a loophole most manufacturers ignored. The WRC rulebook says you need to build 25,000 road cars for homologation. Everyone else laughed at the idea. Toyota said yes and built 40,000. Pop the hood and you'll find the world's most powerful production 3-cylinder engine staring back at you. The 1.6-liter turbocharged unit delivers 280 horses and 390 Newton-meters of torque through an all-wheel drive system lighter than anything you'll find in a Golf R or Focus RS. This thing hits 100 kilometers per hour in around 5 seconds flat, from 3 cylinders. The secret is the GR-4 system, an electronically controlled AWD setup with 3 drive modes that completely change the car's personality. Normal splits power 60 front, 40 rear for everyday driving. Track mode flips to 30, 70 for aggressive corner exits. Gravel mode runs 53, 47 for rally-inspired sideways action. Front and rear Torsen limited slip differentials make sure every Newton meter reaches the ground exactly where you need it. Toyota's rally team tested this powertrain on snow in Finland, gravel in Japan, and asphalt across Europe. Professional WRC drivers broke it repeatedly so engineers could fix it properly. The result is an engine that revs like it's angry and an all-wheel drive system that reads the road before your brain catches up. Choose between a 6-speed manual or the new 8-speed automatic that shifts faster than you can blink. The manual gives you complete control. The automatic gives you relentless forward momentum. Both transmissions send power through that rally-bred all-wheel drive system to all 4 corners simultaneously. Outside, you get a 3-door hatchback that looks like it escaped from a WRC service park. The wide fenders, aggressive front end, and low roofline aren't styling exercises. They're functional aerodynamics honed in actual competition. The carbon fiber roof saves weight and lowers the center of gravity. Aluminum doors, hood, and tailgate cut another 24 kilograms. Total weight? Just 1,370 kilograms. Step inside and you'll find a cockpit tilted 15 degrees toward you for better visibility and control. The driving position sits 25 millimeters lower than before. The rearview mirror moved to the windshield top. The center console dropped 50 millimeters. Everything designed with input from professional rally drivers who live in cars like this. Forged alloy wheels wear Michelin Pilot Sport 4S rubber. Double wishbone rear suspension keeps the rear planted through corners. McPherson struts up front deliver precise steering response. This isn't a hot hatch pretending to be special. This is a homologation rally car you can register and insure. Built by master craftsmen at Toyota's GR factory in the Motomachi Plant. Hand-assembled by Takumi specialists who treat each unit like a competition vehicle. The price in Switzerland? 52,250 Swiss francs. That buys you the only 3-door rally homologation special still in production. The only modern hot hatch with actual WRC DNA coursing through every component. Is it worth it? When was the last time you could buy a real rally car with a warranty? The question isn't whether you should buy one. The question is whether you can live without one. Next time, we're looking at something completely different that'll surprise you even more. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.